Okay, guys, so the purpose of this video is to walk you through the organization for the sample introduction that you just read. And if you were following along here at home, you would know I was on take 6 of this video. So the opening paragraph for the introduction is focused on establishing what the topic is, and it's talking about how the writer became interested in the topic. While you absolutely must establish what your topic is in the introduction, you do not have to give the story of how you became interested in it. That is one option. The other thing you could do is talk about your personal connection to the topic, or you could provide history or background for the topic. The important thing is that the opening paragraph needs to establish the focus of your paper. The second paragraph of this is giving proof of the relevance of the topic by talking about the number of children killed or injured while working on farms. The paragraph also provides important background information by establishing the Department of Labor and the laws guiding labor of children both on farms and in non agricultural occupations. By establishing those acronyms and what they stand for, the writer will be able to employ them throughout the rest of the paper. All right, moving on to the third paragraph, the writer is giving proof of the two different perspectives on the topic of children working in agriculture. In this case, it's using evidence from a case where the Secretary of Labor was trying to get the laws revised, and then sort of the pushback that they received from the rural culture, rural population. All right, and then most importantly, probably, is the heart of your introduction, which is that fourth paragraph. You need to establish the research question, which they clearly do. I've highlighted it here in green. And then you want to talk about the focus areas for the paper. I've done that in blue for you so you can see they're setting up what they're going to focus on in order to answer their research question. And then finally, this bit in yellow is the thesis statement for the paper. And if you remember from the previous video, you're not going to be ready to add that yet. You're going to need to do the rest of your research first. The final paragraph of the sample introduction is simply talking about the limitations of the paper. This is not necessary, and I don't expect that most of you will include it in yours. Hope this video was helpful. Good luck.